What a piece of mix up. Laugh out loud, but this is not funny at all. So Iinhalemee and Prince Marni has called it quits, and also Trabass and Deanne have put out a statement that they are separated. So it says Trinidad dancer Iinhalemee and Jamaican comedian and YouTube star Prince Marni are no longer engaged. She made the announcement on Instagram on Tuesday. The dancer, whose real name is Deisha Burnett, posted a series of Instagram stories alleging that Prince Marni, born Anthony Grant, repeatedly cheated on her. This isn't the first time that cheating rumors came up. The two broke up briefly in 2017, and there was a widespread speculation that him cheating on her led to the breakup after she shared a mysterious Instagram post. Wanna have your cake and eat it too? Not with me, boo. Self-love, ladies, respect yourself. They got back together soon after and got engaged in March 2018. Stating that he previously confessed to cheating, Iinhalemee seemed to know some of the women Prince Marni cheated with, claiming that some of them attended her dance classes. She also spoke on having to pretend that their relationship was picture perfect, stating that I am done expletives pretending everything was expletive, a lie based on cheating worldwide with females I know. Calling him toxic, said that she stuck by him in spite of knowing what he had done at the risk of her personal confidence and drive. Even after the ring, you still had secrets. Damn. Possibly responding to Instagram users who asked her why she went public with the news, she posted, "Listen people, I'm not taking nothing down, this is real life." In addition to her popular dance classes and videos, Iinhalemee, also well known as Michael Montono's love interest in his music video Fast Wine, as well as touring with him extensively as one of his lead dancers for Carnival 2018. Prince Marni is popular known for his skits and multiple personalities, including the character Susan. His Instagram account is currently set on private. And Deanne put out, "I wasn't sure how to say this or how to start this. Laugh out loud, I even googled it. Me and Andrew have been separated for some time now, and we have remained great friends and will forever love each other. All positive vibes." Then she put in the caption, I feel I owe my day one followers, no one else, this explanation. We are not beefing, we see each other every day. Big cocky Trabass, I love you. And quite honestly, it's very sad to see the comment section in these two posts, because enough Jamaican rejoicing about these couples breaking up or separating, and it's quite disturbing because they don't love to see Jamaican people or black people love each other and be with each other. As soon as something negative come out in the media about two couples, well-known couples, they rejoice and they talk about it and they scandal people name. Honestly, big up to Trabass, big up to Deanne, big up to Iinhalemee, and big up to Prince Marni. Do whatever that is in your best interest to make you happy. And guys, stop cheating, man and woman alike, because woman are the one them would cheat with the man them, so you can't call the man them alone dog. Woman a dog too. So these ladies need to stop helping these men to cheat on their significant other when they know they have partners. Like, it's disgusting. If you're not going to be faithful and not going to be committed, tell your partner exactly what it is, and they can decide whether they want to stay or whether they want to go. Don't fool up them head with a bunch of foolishness. Oh, and don't be fooled by what you see on social media. Everything is not always what it cracked up to be. You don't know what people do behind closed doors to get what they have on social media, or what they're going through to maintain what they have on social media. That's why me and Babe always say, don't take we as no relationship goals or any of that. We are just two people working together as a team and loving each other every step of the way. We are not perfect. I'm sure Deanne, Trabass, and Iinhalemee and Prince Marni are not perfect either. So, but that's what I have to say about that. Nothing but positivity and productivity and love and respect from me. So big up to everybody. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm part of here, man. Deuces.
Them a jive by and all know them can't reach. Go and back up for your grandmother preach. Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over there go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach.